Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Radio Flyer Foldable Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for families on the go, offering a spacious interior for hauling everything from groceries and beach gear to happy toddlers and their toys, all while boasting an innovative design that makes it incredibly easy to fold and store when not in use, transforming a bulky necessity into a compact companion for any adventure. Number 5. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon. Discover the ultimate play companion. This versatile wagon offers 3 modes: riding for 2, comfortable bench seating, or a spacious cargo hauler. It's perfect for kids aged 1.5 and up, adapting to every adventure. Keep your little ones comfortable and shaded with thick padded seats and a UV protective canopy. Adjustable poles ensure optimal shade, making it ideal for neighborhood strolls, park visits, or sunny beach days. Enjoy a smooth and reliable journey on EVA foam tires that handle sidewalks, grass, and sand with ease. The durable fabric wipes clean effortlessly, ensuring it's ready for your next adventure. Safety is always our priority. Effortlessly fold it flat with just one hand for compact storage. The adjustable handle stays upright, and convenient storage pouches and cup holders keep essentials within reach. For over a century, we've inspired joy through our beloved products. As a certified B Corp, we are committed to creating lasting quality that sparks imagination and cares for the future. What we like? This wagon offers 3 modes: 2 riders, bench seating, or hauling. It features a UV canopy for sun protection and a one-hand flat fold for easy storage. If you have young children and are looking for a versatile wagon for park trips or neighborhood strolls, this is a great choice. What people say? It folds up so easily and is compact for storage. The wagon is sturdy and holds a lot of weight. The wheels are great for different terrains. Number 4. VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart. Introducing the VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart, designed for all your hauling needs. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the toughest jobs around your home or garden. With a maximum load capacity of 880 pounds, this cart can carry more than twice what many competitors can. It's built to help you move anything, making your task significantly easier. Crafted from fully welded, high-quality, anti-rust metal, this cart is incredibly durable. The tough mesh bed and sturdy construction guarantee a long service life, outperforming traditional wheelbarrows on any terrain. Equipped with large, pneumatic tires, it offers excellent shock absorption and noise reduction. These tires adapt to various road conditions, providing a smooth and stable ride, even when fully loaded. The flexible 180 degrees turning handles allow you to steer with ease in any direction. Its ergonomic design makes hauling comfortable and efficient, turning tiresome transports into simple, one-time trips. Need to haul oversized items? Simply remove the mesh sides to convert it into a flatbed trailer. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for general yard work and transporting awkward or heavy loads. What we like? Boasting an impressive 880 pounds capacity, this cart is built for heavy-duty hauling. Its removable mesh sides offer flexibility for various cargo sizes, and the large pneumatic tires handle uneven terrain with ease. If you need a robust wagon for significant yard work or transporting heavy garden supplies, this is the one. What people say? It folds up so easily and is compact for storage. The wagon is sturdy and holds a good amount of items. Easy to maneuver and pull, even when full. Number 3. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Folding Wagon. Discover the versatility of this wagon, offering 3 distinct modes: hauling, 2-rider seating, and bench seating. Effortlessly switch between modes with convenient side zippers. Enjoy hassle-free storage with its easy one-hand fold mechanism. This portable wagon can be conveniently stored or taken on any adventure. Rest assured, this wagon meets the ASTM F963-13 toy safety standard. It comes equipped with essential seat belts and a comfortable padded seat for added safety. Carry up to 150 pounds of precious cargo or little ones with ease. It also features rear storage loops and 2 front cup holders for your convenience. Designed for children 1.5 years and older, it boasts a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds. Its assembled dimensions are 39.4 L x 21.2 W x 32.7 H. What we like? This wagon provides 3 distinct uses: hauling, two-rider seating, and bench seating, all with an easy one-hand fold. It includes seat belts and a padded seat for child safety and comfort. If you prioritize convenience and safety for your children during outings, this model is ideal. What people say. The wagon folds up so easily and is compact for storage. It's perfect for hauling groceries, beach gear, or even kids. The durable construction ensures it will last for years. Number 2. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Camo Folding Wagon. This versatile wagon offers 3 ways to play and work. Easily switch between hauling, two-rider seating, and bench seating with convenient side zippers. Conquer any path with its rugged, flat-free rubber tires. They ensure a smooth ride, even on the toughest surfaces. Packing up is a breeze with its one-hand fold. It's perfectly portable for storage or taking on any adventure. Designed with your little ones in mind, it meets rigorous safety standards. Built-in seatbelts provide extra security when they're riding along. With a generous capacity of 150 pounds, it's ready to carry kids or cargo. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a rear storage pouch and dual front cup holders. What we like. Featuring rugged, flat-proof rubber tires, this wagon is designed for smooth rides on tough terrain. It also offers 3-in-1 functionality for hauling, seating, or bench mode, and folds flat for easy storage. If you frequently venture onto uneven surfaces or need a durable wagon for outdoor adventures, consider this option. What people say. The wagon folds up easily and is compact for storage. It's sturdy and holds a good amount of items, perfect for hauling groceries or beach gear. The wheels handle different terrains well, including grass and gravel. Number 1. Originsure 220L Collapsible Wagon Cart. Experience an expansive 7.69 cubic feet of storage, perfect for all your needs. When not in use, it folds down compactly, easily fitting into your car trunk or small spaces. This heavy-duty cart boasts a robust all-metal frame, capable of handling up to 330 pounds. Its durable, waterproof fabric ensures it can withstand the elements and frequent use. With its generous dimensions and included accessories like cup holders and a storage cover, it's ready for groceries, camping, or sports right out of the box. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to the large, all-terrain wheels that offer smooth rolling and 360-degree maneuverability. Front wheels include brakes for secure parking. Enjoy enhanced stability and control with its innovative steering mechanism. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable experience for users of any height. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 online support, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. What we like. This wagon offers a massive 220L capacity and features all-terrain wheels with brakes for excellent control on various surfaces. Its innovative steering mechanism ensures stability and maneuverability. If you need a large-capacity wagon for beach trips, camping, or heavy grocery runs and value stable handling, this is a top contender. What people say. It folds up very easily and is compact for storage. The wagon is sturdy and holds a good amount of items. It's great for hauling kids or groceries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.